Hi guys, today I want to show you this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. This is what you're gonna get in the package: the device, then a small tweezer, the cleaning quote, the user manual, and the power adapter. The device is 46 Hertz high frequency ultrasonic cleaning. It can you can use up to 350 milligram water, and also the cleaning cycle, it's from 3 till 5 minutes. What I like, it's very small, it's a compact size. You can keep it in your bathroom on the vanity, or you can store it away when you are done. With this jewelry cleaner, you can clean any type of jewelry, and you can clean also glasses. So today I will clean first my gold necklace, and then after that I will show you how I'm gonna clean my reading glasses. First, let me tell you a few things about the device. The tank inside, it's stainless steel. How it works: you need to plug in the adapter here. Now you need to add water. Make sure you don't put too much water. There is a max line right here. And now I will put the necklace inside. I will close with the lid, and then I just press here. And now the cleaning cycle is it's about 3 to 5 minutes. I'll be back when the machine turns off. The cleaning cycle, it's about 5 minutes. Now I will open it. I will use the tweezer to take out the necklace, and I'll put it inside in the cleaning quote, and I'll wipe it. The necklace was not that dirty, but if you have heavy stains on your jewelry, you can run the cleaning like 2 or 3 cycles, and you can add a few drops of liquid soap. Now you see how shiny it is, and I didn't have any soap. This is just with water. The first test was very successful. I like how clean is the necklace is now. Now I will try to clean my reading glasses. There are a few fingerprints here on the lenses. I don't know if you guys can see it. I will put the reading glasses inside the machine. I will close it, and then I'll turn it on. I'll be back when the device is off. It should take about 5 minutes. Okay, the device is off. Now I will I will take off the lid, and then I just want to make sure that it's plugged off from the outlet, and I will take out the glasses. I don't know if I can wipe them with this quote. I will need another one. This one, it's working good. Yeah, perfect. Now the lenses are very clean. I don't know if you guys can see them. One thing I forgot to mention is wherever you're cleaning your glasses or jewelry, you need to make sure that they are safe to be used for ultrasound cleaning device. When you are done using the device, please make sure you wipe it with a towel before you store it away. I think this device, it's very useful. Everybody can have it at home just to clean the jewelry, watches, or reading glasses.